Scientific Notation, Lesson 5 Notes, example number 11. Before we do example number 11, though, I do want to make sure that you wrote down the 3 steps required to do these problems. I'm not sure if I said it in the last video, and I wanted to make sure that you did that. So take a minute, pause your video, and write down what I just boxed there, where it says 4 examples, 8 through 11. Okay, example number 11, this first problem here, it is unique because depending on whether you use the iPad calculator or the school calculator, it gives you the answer 2 different ways. I want to show you what it looks like if you use the school calculator. So if you use the school calculator and you enter negative 1.334 times 10 to the 5th divided by 2.3 times 10 to the negative 5th, you get negative 5,800,000,000. So let's write that number down. Again, you get negative 5,800,000,000. So that's what you get if you use the school calculator. All right? Let's change that to scientific notation. So I know it's going to be negative 5.8. And it goes from the end of the problem here to between the 5 and the 8. How many numbers are between there? That would be 9. So negative 5.8 times 10 to the 9th. Again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's where the 9's from. So for number 11, I get negative 5.8 times 10 to the 9th. So let me show you if you would have used the iPad calculator, what it would give you. So I start with my fraction, negative 1.334 times 10 to the 5th divided by 2.3 times 10 to the negative 5th. But then the iPad, notice it gave me the scientific notation right away. So depending on what you use, if the number is large enough, it might give you the scientific notation right away. If that were the case, all you'd have to do is write down the original or the final answer in scientific notation. Now, there are other problems like this one over here. Pause your video and write that down. Okay, so this problem here, it doesn't matter which calculator you use. It's going to give you the scientific notation. It doesn't matter which one you use. So let me show you down here. So negative 1.334 times 10 to the 8th divided by 2.3 times 10 to the negative 8. Notice how it gave me the scientific notation right away. So if you come across a problem like this, do not worry about showing the work of standard notation. Just go ahead and write the scientific notation down. All right, so my final answer for this one would be negative 5.8 times 10 to the 15th. All right, and that is it for number 11. That's actually it for scientific notation notes. If you have any questions on the notes at all, question number 11, please do not hesitate to ask. Just send me a message. Whatever you need to do, I would be happy to help.